Empty promises said, more tears being shed. What has this world come to? I'd do anything to grant those who suffer a chance for salvation. A race against time, forced into desperation. Resignation from this darkness, full-fledged emancipation. Sadly, this world cannot be purified. If all the sins on this world could have died. Come on and join me. There's no more being alone in this fight. Let me assist you in purging your plight. I will be guiding an army tonight. We still have a chance as long as you try. Teach the children right from wrong. Don't let them suffer the sleepless nights. That generation soon to be our legacy. Our mission will no longer just be dreams. Come on and join me. There's no more being alone in this plight. Let me assist you in purging your plight. I will be guiding an army tonight. We still have a chance as long as you try. We will not live bound by corruption. Our futures are ours to decide. There's no more being alone in this fight. Let me assist you in purging your plight. I will be guiding an army tonight. Let's watch the children march into the light.